What? You gonna do that to me? The heck? Oh, yes. Or that frac. Why is it? What is this? Okay, let's try that. What is this? Oh my god. Oh, whatever. Well, it says I'm still live, so I'm just going. Okay, so this is good. Okay, sweet. Man, it never tells me who's on here. And that's what I do not like about this. Okay. Only, alright, let's do this. Copy. We are live, but I need to do this first. Let's see, bam. The lag is real today. Alright, let's see. Man, it's still not telling me who's on here. Okay, well, I'm gonna just set this up. Actually, set that up there. We should be good. do need this. Bam. All right. Hit that like button if you're on here. We live, baby. We live. Hit that like button. We live. It's ready. We ready. And if you're on Twitter, retweet this post. Retweet this post if you're on Twitter. Retweet this if you are on Twitter and get that like button hit. Because we are live, baby. Let me go ahead and type in here. What's up, Oos? How you doing? What's going on? I'm glad you're on the live. Hit that like button if you're on here. Hit that like button. The more you hit that like button, the more people are going to find out about this live feed. Hit that like button. Let's see. Smash that button. Smash that like button. Go ahead, smash that like button. I'm about to share this link on Facebook as well, so bear with me. We about to get into it in a bit. Just gonna, set everything up. Everything's already set up, but just try to get more people on this live feed. Let's see. Bam. Let's see. Bam, right there. All right, looking good, looking good. Smash that like button if you're already on here. Smash that like button. Let's go. I want to get 100 likes on this video today. Hope that's not too asking too much. Bam. So how's everybody's day going so far? I'm just, trying to set this up, get this live, more people in this live chat. Let's see. All right, good. All right, perfect. All right, good. I'm about to read these comments, see who's in here. Let's see what's going on. What's up, everybody? What's good? Hit that like button if you're already on here. What's up? What's up? How y'all doing? What's up, Rodney? How you doing? Lord Vendetta, how you doing? What's going on? Beantown, what's up? 88 Anonymous, Peace Gain. Hey, what's up? XRP Carolina in the house. What's up, man? Brandon Lewis, what's up? Anthony Fisher and Anthony Fisher Jr., what's up? Hey, we looking good. What's up, Kitchen Rage? FC, what's going on? Action Jackson, I knew you'd be here. What's up? What's up, AJ? How you doing? Hope everybody's doing well today. Because I'm excited. XRP's getting very close. We're getting very close to our breakout, you guys. We're getting very close. We're in this triangle right now. And if you trade the Ichimoku system, it's a P wave. So I'm getting excited for this move. I don't want to jump into it just yet. I want to get more people on here. But yeah, if you are on here already, smash that like button. Let's get this video to 100 likes, you guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. I'm excited today. Let's see. D Daniels, what is going on? Do you see $10 XRP by October? Man, $10 XRP by October. That's gonna be a real big move for that to happen. But right now, we need to break some current levels, especially at that 34 cent level. But I really think we're gonna do it. I really do. We're looking very bullish, and the momentum's there. Everything's there. The signs are there. But $10 by October, I'm gonna be confident. I'm gonna say, yeah, I'm gonna say yes to that. And the reason why I really think XRP could get to $10 by October, probably maybe more so November. Yeah, maybe more so November because that's when the elections are gonna happen. We all know that during elections, if you trade any financial market, whether it be stocks, whether it be forex, whether it be metals market, we know, and when the elections are coming, we know that the market moves the most during the elections. So I'm gonna say probably that's more realistic towards November, not October. So I'm gonna say lean towards November on that one. But I really still believe that the way things are going, it's gonna be like moving hard. I believe it hard. I really do. Mm. Yeah, I heard about Warren Buffett, man. Warren Buffett money coming. I agree. He's been, doing some stuff with Bank of America. FC, you said announcements coming could change that. Bank of America making moves, regulations being put in place. Yeah, that is true. They just got to flip the switch. Yep. The foundation is there. Everything's setting up. It's pretty much time to flip the switch because they're not gonna have a choice because they need some liquidity in the market, and they also need some what they need. They need this cross border remittance going. So yeah, we're getting ready for that to start pushing to the upside, you guys. We're getting there very soon. Had to update my name. You funny. XRPFC. Okay, you gotta represent XRP. I see you. That's what's up. I appreciate everybody, on this live right now. You taking the time out just to, show me some love and jump on the charts with me and, see what I have to say about XRP. So I appreciate you guys for just taking out the time. Y'all are a blessing. Y'all don't understand. One of these days I can't, once XRP goes, to the moon and beyond, I want to meet y'all. I want to see y'all in person. I want to hang out with y'all, have a good time, you know, and just enjoy life as it as we move forward in our lives. So I do appreciate everybody on this live, and I just thank y'all for this time that y'all taking up for me. I appreciate that. Another thing, before y'all know, always before I get started, I always have to give God glory and praise. I wanna go over something today because this was so profound to me, and I said it on Facebook and Twitter. Not Twitter. It was Instagram. That's right. It was Instagram and Facebook. But I want to share this with you guys because I was watching a video before I got on this live stream. It was about this street preacher, very bold man. It's his name is David Lynn, and he was talking to a young lady, because she's bisexual, and they were going back and forth, and they had a good conversation. It wasn't like a heated debate, but he said one thing that I wrote down that I want to say to you guys, and I have wrote this on Facebook, and I said, "Don't be fooled in the sight of God." All right, and this is what David Lynn said: "Feelings don't dictate truth. Truth sometimes goes against our feelings." So, what came to my mind? This is the scripture that came to my mind, and it was Proverbs 14:12. There's a way which seemeth right unto a man, but the end thereof are the ways of death. Sometimes what we do in our life, whether we think it's right, it's not always the right because we're emotional beings. We're led by feelings and not by the spirit. If you're not led by God, that's one thing I did want to say to you guys today, because we're living in times where a lot of people are led by their feelings and they're not led by the spirit of God, and it's scary times that we're living in because people don't understand that the enemy, the devil, wants to use our feelings to go against God's will for our life. So definitely be prayed up and understand that you have to be led by God's spirit and not your emotions. I want to also say this because this is also going to put a stamp on that. And this is coming out of Proverbs 1 and 7. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction. So if you can't hear God's word and if you can't hear truth, then you're a fool in God's eyes. And it's not good to be a fool in God's eyes. So I just wanted to put that out there to you guys before we get going, because you know I got to give God glory and I have to represent the kingdom of God first before we get into anything. But I hope you guys understand that. Meditate on what I'm saying. If you don't agree, that's fine. It's not everybody agrees on everything. But one thing I really want you guys to know: pray about everything before you do it, because your feelings could get you in trouble. Because you may feel something's right, but it may not be right in the eyes of God. All right. So if you're on this live feed right now, smash that like button. Get this video to 100 views, 100 likes. I want I want this to be a big, a major, you know, I want all of the XRP community on this live feed right now. I want a whole XRP community on this live feed. That's what I'm trying to get. Let me go ahead and read some comments. You gonna cash app? you you gonna cash app us all when it takes off, right? You funny. What I'll do, I'll travel and hang out. What I could do, I could set up a big meeting where we all meet up at, and we have a giant XRP party for the whole XRP community. And if anybody wants to come, I'll set that up because we'll have more than enough. So that's what I like to do. If that it beats Cash App. Let's see, barbecue. Yeah, barbecue sounds great. Truth. Cancel culture wants to cancel the Bible. Crazy fashion. Yeah, it's everywhere, man. I get canceled. Like sometimes when I make a post on Facebook, y'all don't understand. I get some of my posts taken off of Facebook because they censor me on Facebook. So I try to share what I have on Twitter, but you can only type so much on Twitter. So you guys, if you want to see the other side of me, you have to have me as a friend on Facebook. I have a lot, man. I be going back and forth with people. It'd be wild sometimes. Let's see. We are here. Yep, we are here. XRP community. Undoubtedly, it will be number one kitchen. Let's see what kitchens. Honestly, bro, I think XRP might be the one that might sketch off everyone. Okay, everyone. Uh, okay, I read that wrong. Okay, honestly, bro, I think XRP might be the one that might sketch everyone off guard. There's rumors going around that it's going to take off to the number one soon on Coin Market Watch. And have you seen Fiat leaks? Yeah, I have been watching Fiat leaks. Fiat leak. It's been wild. I actually posted a Fiat leak video on Twitter and on Instagram the other day, and it got like 300 views on Instagram. I don't know about Twitter, but a lot of moves are being made on XRP, and it's gonna happen sooner because all the banks are gonna start pushing it. Everything's gonna start, everything's set in place. It's all, in Warren Buffett as well, Bank of America as well. They're gonna start pushing it, and all banks are gonna really start pushing it. So it's time to watch the market just explode in XRP, and I really think it's gonna break away from Bitcoin. I know a lot of people say that Bitcoin's gonna bring down the market if it drops, because some people are speculating that Bitcoin's gonna fall to like 9,700 level. But I don't think it's gonna affect XRP too much. XRP has a lot of momentum right now, and it just needs to break that 34-cent level, you guys. That 34-cent level has been a thorn on our sides for a long time. So we just gotta get past that, and we'll be good. We'll be solid. Okay, let me post this on Twitter. Let's get the XRP. Yeah, get the XRP army in here. How you? Okay. No, I'm playing. I have my own bag, and we could for sure. Yeah, I love that. I love that. The party is in. Okay. Tweet, tweet. Sorry, I'm falling asleep. Hey, don't fall asleep, man. You might miss something. If XRP takes off right now, I'm gonna fall back out of my chair, you guys. I'm gonna be like, oh snap. But no, I think XRP is setting up. It's just like if y'all notice that David Schwartz replied to my comment. He replied to my comment, and apparently that took off. I didn't expect him to reply to my comment, but he pretty much just sent a buffering gif on Twitter, and so I was like excited, like okay, well he knows it. Yeah, yeah. You kitchen. If you haven't seen, go to if you have Twitter, go to Twitter. He replied to my I tagged him in a post, and he replied to it. Mm, let's see. Did I work on my bearable bull impression? I have been. I'm not finished yet. I wanted to be perfect, and I give me give me two more live streams, and I should have it down. And I want the bearable bull to be on here the next two live streams so I can do it for him. Let's see. Lots of talk about China Bitcoin miners in a damn that's about to break. Yeah, someone actually sent me that in a message about the Bitcoin miners. I heard about that. I think if that happens, Bitcoin's gonna crumble for sure. I've been thinking Bitcoin's gonna crumble anyway, but they probably just need a way to mask it, you know, to hide what, make it go down. But we'll see. I don't know about all that. How that's gonna how it's gonna affect everything. Hopefully, it doesn't affect the whole crypto market. And I think once Bitcoin, if that happens to Bitcoin, I'm pretty sure that's gonna give another reason to go to XRP or other crypto assets that aren't mined. Y'all know XRP is not mined; it's already pre-made. So that's even a better reason to have XRP over Bitcoin. I don't know why people love Bitcoin so much, but I think it's just because it's the first and it made a lot of millionaires and billionaires. But it is what it is, man. I don't know. Let me read. Let's see. That's cool, bro. God's blessing you. Yeah, man. God's been blessing me left and right. And I didn't want to say nothing, but I want to share this with you guys. I am coming out with a clothing line. So I'm starting a movement, but I don't want to talk about it too much. But it is going to be a movement for God. It's a clothing line for God that I'm working on, and it's been a blessing because I have somebody that's working with me on the project. So I'm expecting big things to happen. So I'll be looking for male and female models when the time comes. So I will announce that more, but once things start really taking off with that this clothing line. All right, let's see. We need to pray for the dam to hold 40 million people. Yeah, we need. Yeah, man, I agree. We do need to pray for them. If y'all haven't heard of what happened in Lebanon, Lebanon had an explosion the other day, and it was nuts. I actually posted a video on Facebook and on my IG. So if y'all don't follow me on IG, definitely follow me on IG. It's the same as my Twitter handle, Cash Flow Nexus. But yeah, I post. I'm on 4 different social medias, you guys. It's kind of hard balancing all the time. So you got different audiences for everything. But you know, this is one of my best audiences, the XRP community and the God fearing community. Yeah, y'all have been such a blessing, y'all don't understand. uh, I'm gonna share you on Twitter, bro. We need to get this to grow. Yeah, man, share me on Twitter, man. Blow it up, blow it up. If you're new on this live feed, go ahead and smash that like button. I'm about to get started on this analysis very soon. I just like to chat it up with you guys and hear what y'all gotta say. But hit that like button, you guys. Hit that like button. Bitcoin equals Ponzi scheme, scam, illusion, China coin. Yes, crap coin, trash coin. Yes, Bitcoin is terrible. I don't know why people love it. I used to like, if y'all know me back in the past, because there's some of y'all that know me in person on this live, and I worked with some of y'all in the past because I used to work in a network marketing company that dealt with like cryptocurrencies and foreign exchange, and they were teaching it. It's a teaching platform. So I'm not gonna bash the company. It was a great company. It was phenomenal, and I would actually, now what I know now, I would probably, go back into network marketing just to help people put money into their pockets. But they were so Bitcoin heavy in that company, and man, it was crazy. If you said anything other than Bitcoin, you were like a enemy. I was an I think I was the only one pushing XRP in that company. Everybody else was Bitcoin. But Bitcoin, I'm not a fan of Bitcoin. No fan at all. Yo, that's awesome. I want some merch. Yeah, man. When the merch comes out, I have some models posted. I mean, model it and see what we got. See if y'all like what I have for y'all. You just found me on IG. Let me see. Let me see if you sent me a. Okay, I see you. Got you. I got you. Perfect. That's what's up. Cool. That's how I got connected with you, was through that company. Yeah, it was which one? Because I was in two networking companies. I was in iMarkets Live, and I was in what's it called? Market Hackers or something, or Silver Star. I don't remember. But if y'all understand the people that I was dealing with when I was, I was trading with people that were making literally six figures a week. That's the type of people I was around, and going to penthouses, going to hotel parties. Well, not parties, but some of them be hotel parties. But it was either hotels that we would meet up at, or penthouses, or mansions. That was the life. But I don't do that no more. I'm trying to build something else, and I want to build something that's going to impact people spiritually and financially, and something that's gonna leave a legacy behind that's going to be on for generations, that could be shared. And you said, yeah, market hackers. Yeah, okay, so it was market hackers. Yeah, market hackers was pretty interesting. I wish they were more thorough in their product, but it was too much to set it up. The software. That's why I'm like, the software was too much. All right, but now that I talk too much, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into some analysis for you guys, and stay tuned, y'all, because it's about to do something. But looking at here, I'm actually gonna put on regular candles right now. Looking at the market right now, we're still holding above the 1-to-1 ratio on the N wave here, so that's good. That's what I like to see. We got this bullish cloud starting to form. Chiku span's getting above the price. Once Chiku span's like right in here, oh yeah, better believe that this market's gonna take off. But we might get something sooner. So if y'all notice, we hit, let's see, 3 out of 4 targets already. We had target 1, 2, 3. Target 4 is right here. We're just creeping up on it. It's 36 cents. So that's what I'm liking to see right here for XRP. But here's the thing, you guys. We have so much resistance here at this level. It's crazy. We need to get a break. We need some more money to going into XRP right now. Some new money or something to break this level. What I have here on the daily time frame, and this is where I'm really watching the market, because we are very parabolic right now. Like, this is apparent, like this is obvious. But you got to realize the only reason why the price is stagnant right now is because we're really at this level right here, this level of resistance. That's 32 level, 34 zone. So 34 and 32 zone, this is where we always struggle with price. Even in the past, you see here, we didn't even get past that 34 cent level. We just, crumbled, made our way back up here. So this is now our chance to go up. So far, the signs are looking good for it to, go up higher, but we still got to get past that 34, 32 cent level. And that's where we're struggling at right now. So I'm actually going to mark this. Let me go ahead and do that. And I'm going to make this right there. All right, cool. So this is where we need to break this fractal level. So if we don't get past this level, then we're going to have some problems. What's going on with this market? It's ranging. It's flat. The Kijun or momentum line, it's flat. Whenever you see this line is flat in the market, that means the momentum stopped. And that means on the lower time frame, it's making a pattern. So if we come down to the 1 hour time frame, who's that? Oh, my niece just came in, you guys. You want to say hi to everybody on the live stream?
Yes.
Say hi to everybody on the live stream.
Hi.
Well, they can't hear you, but it's all good. Well, they could hear you, but that you can't hear them. But I will talk to you in a minute, and give me a hug too. But I will talk to you after the live stream. All right?
Okay.
All right. See you. We'll play some video games or something. But anyway, you guys, looking at this live stream. Looking at XRP on the hour time frame, this is what I really want to see this move here, because you got to realize this is a P wave, you guys, or triangle, depending on what you learned. There's different terminologies in trading, but if you look here, you guys, this is literally what could happen. Whenever you get a symmetrical triangle or a P wave pattern, it's 50-50 always. Always remember this one rule. It's 50-50. All right. If we get a break to the upside, my targets are up here. These are my next targets. And we will blast through that 34 cent level. But we need to get above that 32. Looking at, I'll show you how I got this. All right. Secret formula right here. Bam. This is a N wave formation within that P wave. All right. So let me show you this. I just want to make this visible to you guys so y'all don't be like, he's making this up. All right, so this is how I got that. All right. This is the N wave formation using the Fibonacci extension tool and certain numbers. This is what I got for the first target once we break out of this P wave. So the first level, or really the first target, would be here, because you have to get above that. You have to get above this B level. So let me make sure y'all understand this. I'm gonna make this a little, make this clear for you guys. All right. Let me change this. So you got A right here. This is gonna be an educational moment, so bear with me. All right, we got B. If I had like another like a mouse, not a mouse, but like a tool, a drawing tool, I would have done this faster. But TradingView don't have that, so I can't do it. I have to type it out. And last one, right there. This is more advanced trading on the Ichimoku system. So I don't normally teach this because it mind boggles people. But here's how it works. You got the A, you got the B, C, and then D is that one level right here, if you could see that one. So for this to even be considered a actual move, price needs to break above this B level. Otherwise, it's going to still fluctuate and probably range a little more. So we need to break above this B level currently to move higher to either the D level, or which is the N level, or this level right here, which is NT. So once we get to those levels and say we break 32, we'll most likely see this price here. Another thing, my targets for this wave is going to be from the, let's see, where is it? From the 36 range all the way up to the 42 cent range right now. And if it gets through the 42 cent range, then it's easily going to get to 50 cents in my opinion. How did I get? So here's another thing. I think on the 7th is when it's gonna make its move, like its real move. But I'll show you how I got that in a second. We actually might start breaking up sooner. But what I'm saying is we might reach our target by the 7th. So our target will be up here on the 7th if this is actually the move that's gonna happen. All right. So let's go down. Let's go back to the daily time frame. Let me make sure y'all understand something. So using advanced Ichimoku, the market moves in cycles. This is a 33-day cycle from the low here, from when it started rising. So from this position to this day, 33 is an Ichimoku number. So this is why I have it on the 7th, on August 7th, for this market to start making its move either higher or lower. So that's why I have this market moving up right now. So hopefully that's the move we get, but it's gonna happen this week, whether we go up or down, and it's gonna happen soon. All right. Let me go ahead and see. Let me read these comments. Yeah, okay. We need bank. Yeah, we do need bank money. Bank money is gonna make the markets move. As easy as it's as easy it is to say that. We need that money coming in. We need new money in the XRP system, in the XRP market, but we're not showing signs of that right now. Or if it's happening, they're probably just suppressing, price right now. Because if you remember, like I said on this hour time frame, what's happening right now, this is what's happening. We're either accumulating in this phase right here. This is either going to be accumulation or it's going to be distribution. So accumulation is when buyers enter the market. So if it is to complete this N wave, it's buyers entering into this market. Not only are they entering this market, they're trying to ramp up and get the momentum to go higher. So this is necessarily not a bad thing, this accumulation right here, or this lateral movement, but it needs to break higher. It needs to break outside this triangle or this P wave to go higher. Now, if it's distribution, this is what's going to happen. There's sellers entering this market, taking over at this resistance level, and they're going to push the price down to the 27-cent level. And if they succeed, they could possibly push it lower to 24 cent. So this is why this area, this current level, is very, it's important. I'm not going to say buy right now. I'm not going to say sell right now, because right now this is 50-50. The way you trade this P wave, or trade this at all, you wait for the breakout right here. If it breaks to the upside right here, you take that money to the upside. So if I were you guys, I will go to your exchange. If you have alerts, set alerts at 30 cents and 840. Write that number down. 0.30, 840. 0.30, 840. Set an alert at that price, and if it triggers, that's when you should buy. If it's going beneath this level, the 29 cent and 329, take that. You should take your profits and wait for the next move. All right, that's what I'm seeing right now. Now here's another thing. We see. Hold on, let me actually make this visible real quick. I want y'all to see this. Boom. All right. So if y'all are new on this feed, I don't know how many people are in here. Just hit that like button if you're in here. Get this live stream to 100 likes. I want 1,000 people on here. I want 1,000 people on this live stream. Get everybody you know, your mama, your granny, your cousins. Get them in this live feed. But here we go, right here. So if you notice, here's the pattern. And right now, if we break to the downside, this is the support that we have right here of the cloud. Are you starting to see how this makes sense now? Once you get, say if we do break down, it's not going to be bad unless we break beneath this cloud. That's when we'll have some problems. But this cloud is getting thicker as price is going higher. So if it does break to the downside, if anything, it's going to come to at least 28 cents, then probably start looking to bounce to the upside. And that's just being hopeful. Looking at it here, the market's still flat because we know it's accumulating or distribution right here. But what we need to pay attention to, let me get rid of these. Have this only on the hour time frame. But what we need to do, we need to get we need to see if the Kijun, this blue line's got an angle to the upside. If we get that angle to the upside, then we're golden. Because remember, this red line is the trend. The blue line is the momentum. Momentum's flat, and when this goes flat, pretty much they need to get closer together to get back into equilibrium. If you look here, let me go ahead and take these off. If you look here, look how far apart they were, and you see how they're getting closer together. You see how here it's far apart, and you see the market move sideways. But once they get close together, look how market starts moving, and you see they're far apart here. Market's ranging. Now we need them to get close together again to push higher to the upside. This is how simple reading this system is. The people complicate this system, the Ichimoku system. It's literally translate one glance equilibrium chart. You could tell if you have a move or not by looking at the chart with one glance. It gives you all the information with one glance. So this is why I trade it. I could analyze charts pretty fast. I'm just giving an education lesson while teaching you guys and showing you where I think the market's moving. Right now, there's no real move just yet, but once we do get that move, let me see. Let me put these back on. Once we do get that move, then we'll start to see price either break to the upside or break to the downside. I'm in favors of the bulls. Looking at the RCI, bulls are still in control. Another thing, let me see here. We got some hidden bullish divergence right here as well on the 4-hour chart. So let me mark that. You got the ultimate oscillator making lower highs while price is making lower highs. So it's like an alligator's mouth right now. So this is why I'm bullish. I'm not changing my tune on this. And I know a lot of people, get pessimistic when it comes to XRP, and it is when it hits makes like a 6% loss or 4% loss. People get emotional on XRP. It's kind of sad. But I think it's just from all the heartbrokenness over the years watching this currency. Let's see. Let me go ahead and read these comments. Let me catch up with them. When bank money hits, things will move faster. I agree, Rippler. I believe that 100%. Especially Japan's market. Once Japan's market takes off, man, this market is going to be ridiculous when Japan starts using this. Let's see. Ooh, taco truck. It's wild. Taco. That's a hard hit. That's a hard hitting question. What question? Where's the question? Did I miss something? Okay, I guess not. 29 cent. What again? Uh, how long have I been trading? I've been trading for about 5-6 years now, and I started in foreign exchange and metals, and then I got into cryptocurrencies. It's funny because I could have actually caught the Bitcoin run, the Bitcoin move when it exploded, but I didn't have enough knowledge about it when I started. Because I think when I got into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, Bitcoin was at $2,000, but I was doing research, and then a few months later it exploded. I'm like, dang, I missed out. I could have been a millionaire by then. So you know you missed out, but you get your second opportunity with XRP. So I'm not tripping. Perhaps the Treasury issues stimulus directly to wallets for all taxpayers on the ILP and PayID. That's a good question. That's a really good question. You know, That's very possible because, but here's the thing though. I don't know about that just yet because I think that the Republican Party or the Democratic Party, I don't remember, they actually rejected the digital dollar. I think it was the Republican Party. So I have to, look into that again. But I think, I don't know about, how the stimulus, is gonna affect the crypto market if they're gonna use it in the, the ILP. But I don't think so. I don't know about that yet. You never know, but I would have to watch. Let's see. Let's see. What's up? Okay, what's up? You're new to this channel. What's up? Hit that subscribe button and like it, Sir Captain Sticks. Sir Captain Sticks. You got an interesting name there. Um, my grandma don't speak English. Well, you could always teach her. But what language does your grandmother speak? Because as long as you could help her out, that's all that matters. The Treasury could inject some liquidity, maybe. I want to learn that system. Yeah, if you want to learn that system, hit me up. I always get people hitting up my inbox about learning how to trade Ichimoku because it fascinates them, and it's pretty accurate. Ichimoku was, designed in 1930, not 36, and it's been around for a long time in the trading community. So anybody that trades with Ichimoku knows how effective it is if they know how to use it properly. So when I first started learning Ichimoku, man, I hated it because it looked like just it looks like scribbles and stuff on the screen. So once I really sat down and wanted to learn it and did some research, like I researched on XRP. Oh, I know Ichimoku's perfect. It's not perfect, but it's a great system for visual learners, beginners, advanced. It helps with your technical analysis. It helps you spot things quicker than most other traders. So it definitely helps. Uh, we need to have a Zoom or Microsoft Team meetup. Get this thing started right. Yeah, yeah. Hit me up in my inbox. We'll make that happen. We'll work something out. Oh, she speaks Spanish. That's what's up. It's funny because I was speaking Spanish for 3 years. Since I don't use it anymore, I kind of didn't retain it. But I was living with my ex girlfriend. I talked about her on my YouTube channel before. She's Mexican from Durango, but when I was with her, I spoke Spanish a lot. And when we got together, she didn't even speak any English. And so I said, if we're gonna get together, you teach me Spanish and I teach you English. So it worked for a while, but it didn't work for too long. Numbers is universal, I guess. Yeah, numbers can be. They can be. I want to say this: using the Heikin candles, it's like price is just stalling right now. You have a indecision here. This current candle's at indecision. This is the 4 hour. So the market does not want to make a move just yet. The market has not even decided what it wants to do just yet. So we have indecision candles. Um, if y'all are new to trading at all, indecision candles are pretty much candles like this one right here. It has a wick and a small body. It has a really thin body, long wick. Here's one as well. This one not so much because it has a thicker body. But candles like these are pretty much indecision candles here. And you got indecision candles right here as well. So indecision candles, they either mean reversal in the market or they mean that the market doesn't want to make a move just yet, and their buyers and sellers are trying to figure out what direction the market's going to go. Usually, what happens is most people stay out of the market when there's indecision candles. That's how you know, like, okay, you gotta set some points. Okay, if it breaks a certain level, then I'll enter the market. That's why I said once it breaks out this triangle here, this P wave, take that trade either up or down, or your investment profits or whatever. If it breaks up, I would buy some more. That's just me. I'm not financial advice, but that's just what I would do. Let's see. Let me read some of these comments. Nexus, do you diversify in crypto or all in on XRP? That's honestly, that's a good question. I have I'm all in on XRP, and it's only because what I know about it, and I can't say too much. Some people, it's funny because some people think I work for Ripple, and I'm not gonna say too much on that, but it because some people, it's funny because some people tie things together in the XRP community, and they create a scenario about who's associated with who, and some people have been saying that more because of uh, David Schwartz in my conversation, even though it was a minor conversation, but I could talk about that in a little bit. There are some people that are insiders in the community that I've noticed as well, and they have some insight in the market that helps out the XRP community. I will say that. I'm waiting for a dip. I don't think there'll be a dip, man. If there is, then we have a lot of ground to break. We have a lot of cloud to break here. We got a lot of levels to break to get down to 24 cent again. So don't get too gun ho on that 24 cent, man. Buy what you can. That's all I'm gonna say. XRP a La Luna. Hmm. I don't think it'll drop that low again. To be honest, okay, yeah, I agree. I don't think it'll drop that low either. Let's see any other altcoins that can boom too, like VET. Uh, you know, if any other coin could pump like VETs, there is Zoom. Have y'all looked at Zoom, the cryptocurrency? Or I think it's a crypto. Zoom exploded the other day, and I was actually sad to see that because a lot of people were talking about Zoom on Facebook. I'm like, what's Zoom? And then it took off. It did like a Bitcoin, but it didn't go that high. It just made a big move. I like XLM and Ethereum. Yeah, XLM is pretty good. I think XLM is just a copy of XRP pretty much, but if it helps the crypto space, then you know. Let's see. Hey, how you doing, girl? I appreciate you jumping on here. I'm here to support you, bro. I appreciate you, hun. You awesome. I'll hit you up after the live. Yeah, man, no problem. Any advice is good advice. Let's see. I knew you were a mole from Ripple. Don't tell nobody, man. It's a secret. You can't tell my secret. I'm a mole from Ripple. But that's pretty much the analysis on XRP. Now, here's my overall theory. Here, let me go to the monthly time frame and break this down. So if you look here on the monthly chart, I don't look at the monthly chart too much, but if you look at the monthly chart, we're off to a great start. Now, price was at 32 cent, but right now we're sitting at 30 cents pretty much. But here's the thing. For this price to explode off the monthly time frame, and I said this before, we have to get above, once again, that 34 cent level. Because if you look at the monthly structure, how this market is formed, we have a bullish engulfing candle. We have market moving higher here. This month needs to close above, which I believe it will, close above 34 cent. And look at all that freedom. The next level to pay attention to is going to be at that 50 cent level right there. So this is why I'm very bullish right now. because once the market starts taking off, it's gonna erupt. If you look here back in the past 1 month, you know, looking at that 1 month candle on XRP, that moon, this, man, a lot of people that were early investors here, you know, I'm pretty sure they were happy until, you know, this happened. And then the decline. So, you know, always remember in a market, look here. If y'all understand how markets work, from, let's see, from pretty much 0 cents or pretty much 3 cents or whatever, from down in here, price exploded, right? Let me show y'all something. Price exploded up to this point. And then guess what happened? Price made a correction here. So once price made a correction, this is not, I don't know why people are so sad about it. This is just the correction, you guys. This was the impulse move. This was the correction. Now we're about to have another impulsive move to the upside. And guess what happens? It's just going to be another N wave. I always tell everybody the market moves in waves. So if it makes the same length here as it did, let me actually measure that out. From this part here, that was that's a big increase. So that was a 107, 303 increase right there. All right. So let's say we do that again, 107 and 3. I'll get close to that number. So if we get that same impulsive move, where would that put us? 100. Oh man, this thing's okay. I'm gonna say about right there. If we get that same impulsive move, that'll put us around the $12 mark. So that'll put us about right in here. I'm gonna say between $10 and $24. How about that for the first impulsive move? And looking at it, let's measure out the month. What month is? So this is. Let me measure this out from this point. Let's go to November. So this will be November. Actually, I went way too far. Right there. I went way too far. November right in here. Okay, perfect. So let's do this. And let me do this really quick. Bam, right there. So you see, like, this is just in theory. Around November 1st, somewhere up in here at like $26, $10 to $26. Is it possible? If we get that same impulsive move, yeah. But that's when banks will have to ramp it up, and that's what it's gonna have to take for price to get that high. So, reading the market, markets move in ways all the time. This is how markets move. Markets are designed to move like that, regardless of what market it is in. All right. Let me read these comments. Let me see what's going on here. Let me find out you working for Ripple. I would never tell. And if I did, I will keep it very secret. I do have family that works for Goldman Sachs, I'll say that. So I have a little more insight on things than most. And, by rules, we can't say nothing. That's rules. Let me see. I like XLM too, thinking it will be used for the masses while XRP is for banks and govs. Yeah, I could agree with that. VeChain and XRP are my favorite. On my favorites, Icon is my third favorite. Yeah, VeChain is pretty good for what it's doing right now. I think VeChain is going to, it's going to connect some stuff as well. I don't know how they're going to use it for sure, but it's going to help aid XRP's market and structure. Some say XRP will be digital gold and XLM digital silver. You know that's soon to be known. We don't know for sure, but if it is, we will find out. Action Jackson, you said we could spin the stellar lumens once we get to the moon. Well, yeah, once we get to the moon on the stellar lumens, yeah. Most of the time, I do invest, but most of the time I'm day trading these cryptos. Like, once I get a certain amount, then I'll pour into, cryptos again for different projects. But you guys, you got to understand, you make so much more day trading cryptos than hodling. Like, you could literally 10 times your account day trading. Yeah, and I proven my point. I I have a screenshot. I was talking about it in my last live. I literally turned $16 into $1,000 day trading in about 3-4 days, and it was off of one trade. So, you guys trading, there's a lot more risk involved in trading. That's why I don't suggest you just do it right off the back. You have to have some education there. But if you're going to day trade, get some proper education, learn how to read charts, and take advantage of the market. Let's see. Binance Coin will probably boom too. Yeah, I agree with that. Swiss, no money. Tezos too. Oh yeah, I forgot about Tezos. Yeah, Tezos. I actually used to do analysis on Tezos on here. I used to look at different currencies. What I'm thinking, I'm on Sundays or Saturday mornings. Excuse me, or maybe Saturday afternoons. I don't know. I'm probably gonna do like a market forecast on the crypto market. What y'all think about that? Crypto market forecast on like 12 different cryptos, and y'all could even name some, and I'll do a Saturday forecast. Let's see. I bought Tezos and lost money. LOL. Bought at a bad time apparently. Ooh, ouch. You know, it's funny. Well, that's not funny, but uh, with no leverage. Well, anyway, let me finish what I was saying. With Tezos, back then I had called Tezos. Somebody private messaged me, man. They said you made me a lot of money. Cause there was if y'all look at my old video on Tezos, I called. Let me see if I could find it. Actually, I have it on here somewhere. Let me find it. Tezos. Here it is. So yeah, I think yeah, it was about here. I called this move to the upside, and the gentleman reached out to me, and he said he made a big profit here. So he caught this whole move up. I don't know if he took out, but if he did it, then dang. But he said he entered in here on Tezos and took it all the way up because this was. I remember doing this video. It was right in here, and it was the first time someone requested for me to look at Tezos, and I was like, okay, well, if you want me to look at it, I'll take a look. But Tezos is ranging right now. Tezos is doing nothing, and if you were on my first live stream, y'all gotta really learn from me, you guys. I be teaching people real stuff. You see this? I called this, and whoever was on my first live stream, I had called this, and it went up. Mine is here, but for the most part, it went up, and I said it would come up to this point. Now, when you're day trading crypto, you might want to move your stop loss way out. You might not even need a stop loss when you're trading crypto because the crypto market is so volatile compared to any other financial market. You could literally be up 100% and then down 200% in literally an hour. Like that's why trading crypto is it's crazy, but it's rewarding if you're winning consistently. You know. So I get excited when I see that. You asked what leverage I trade. 1 in 500 leverage. I trade with I don't trade in a crypto exchange just because of the fees. I trade with the actual broker. The brokerage allows me to trade cryptocurrencies on a forex platform. So let me see. I bought Tezos. Okay, I read that. Good staking rate though. Pays out often. Yeah, I hear that staking pays out really well. You need to start a Telegram group and give signals or something. I would pay. You know, I do have a Discord group where I give out signals. Uh, and I also teach Ichimoku in the Discord group as well. I want to learn the Ichimoku system, day trade crypto. About to quit my job so you can mentor me. Well, if you do that, then I will definitely help you as much as I can. What's the info on the group? The info on the group, I'll disclose that. The only thing is with the stuff that I teach, uh, I teach beginner, advanced, and immediate, beginner, intermediate, and advanced Ichimoku, and I also teach day trading on forex, cryptocurrency, metals, and any other market. So I'm not gonna lie. It does cost to join my group. I'm not gonna lie to you. It does cost to join my group. It's not. I'm not expensive. It's just a one-time payment, and you're done. I don't like to be like other people in the crypto space. They charge you like $600 a month. I'm like, dang, $600 a month. Like, who you? You making millions? I'm just saying. But no, like if you want to join my group, message me and I'll definitely give you the information to get in there. Uh, Let me see what's he saying. I meant to hit you back about trading, bro, but I got cold feet. I feel like I'm gonna the screw up and lose my money. No, man, you still got time. You still got time. Um, I don't know if Anthony, if you're in here, I don't know if you're watching still, but I don't want to put you on blast, but if you want, you could tell them how much money you made in 1 week just by one of the signals I gave you. If you're in the group, if you're watching it right now, I did see your name, but if you want to share that, you can, but you don't have to share that. All right. Hey, yeah, tell them how much you made, man. I'm not trying to put you on blast or anything, but I just want them to know from he's one of my students, man. Y'all can see in the comments if he wants to answer that question. He doesn't have to. It's his money, but I just want to be real with you guys. I'm on point with this. It went into nighttime mode. What? Okay, let me see. Yeah, so if y'all want to learn from me, yeah, definitely hit me up. It's worth it. And that was just 1 week. That was just 1 week. So I've been telling y'all, y'all think I'm playing. This is the real deal. So if y'all are new on this stream, hit that like button. I'm telling y'all, hit that like button. Get this. I want to get to 100 likes, you guys. 100 likes on this video. I can't see the numbers. How many likes are we up right now? How many likes are we up right now? Cause man, get this to 100 likes. I want 1,000 people to see this. I want the whole crypto space to see this. Like we're at 43. Okay, 43. I'll take 43. I'll take 43. Keep hitting that like button. Keep hitting that like button. If you are new to this stream, hit that like button. Y'all are hearing it. Y'all are hearing what my student's saying. He's, you could tell him how long you've been trading with me or how long you've been trading, period. It hasn't been that long, honestly. But you guys, the real deal over here. I'm telling you, I break down the market to where it's simple. I don't, because if you learn how simple the market is and get the basic breakdown of it, oh, you could trade all day and make some big money. I used to sit. Okay, so going back to when I was in network marketing, we had a group. It was in downtown Fort Worth. If you live in Dallas or if you live in Texas, There's literally a place we called the Trade House, and it was like a place that we rented out. We would literally stay there for 24 hours, and most people they would go there starting off with like $1,000 and leaving at the end of the day with $10,000. And it's because people really sat down to really learn and to really try to learn the craft, and we broke it down simple. But this was back when I was in network marketing. I was learning some stuff from some big traders, exchanging information, all that. Uh, your bros on the line. Yeah, what's up, Benjamin? How you doing? I don't know which one is Benjamin if he said anything, but what's up, Benjamin? How you doing? Uh, he's in Dallas right now too. Okay, perfect. Well, he needs to link up with me. We need to link up and talk. Yeah, everybody hit that like button. I don't know how many people are in here. I can't see how many people are in here, but I hope there's like, 100 of y'all at least. But yeah, definitely hit that like button, you guys. Let's see. I need to quit my job ASAP. Yeah, man. If you quit your job, you better make sure you take day trading serious, because day trading is not easy. It's not easy. It's very mental, and it's a game of patience and a mental game. Okay, so there's only 38 people in here. All right, that's fine. We need to get more people from Twitter on here. Let's see. I appreciate you, Anthony, for letting people know, man. That's what's up. Let's see. I've learned a ton from him in just 4 days. His teachings are legit, and I'm just getting my feet wet. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that, Brandon. Yeah, man, you only been with me for 4 days, man. Wait till you start trading for real. Like once you get your feet wet, actually getting on the charts for yourself. Like I said, I always try to make everybody self sufficient. I don't want you to rely on me, because why rely on somebody? If you teach a man to fish, they'll be able to feed themselves for the rest of their days. So that's what my goal is as far as teaching people how to trade. I want you to be self sufficient, learn how to learn how to trade, for yourself. Let's see, how can we get started day trading in this system? Anything you think we should? Yeah, I have some videos already uploaded. One of these days I'm gonna do a live stream and just teach y'all basics on how to use this, just the basics. Because if I go into details on like the harder stuff, man, y'all gotta freak out. But yeah, I have basics already on my YouTube channel that you could check out if you want to watch that. If you want to get started, inbox me. I could start, get the process going for you. Talk about taxes for day trading. You know, for taxes on day trading, you do it with a 1099, I believe. I have a friend that does my taxes on that, so I don't even touch taxes on that. I say, hey man, do my taxes. So I'm not the one to ask for that. But if you are gonna do your taxes for day trading, you put it on a 1099 for sure. I have my friend do that for me, because that's something else. You have to put all the numbers, and also if you're day trading and you're trying to do taxes, you get a monthly statement at the end of the month. Your broker will send you a statement on all your trades, your wins, your losses, and your percentage. So you could also put that into your taxes when you do day trading taxes. So do that if you are going to do taxes on your day trading. Now, crypto day trading, I'm not sure if it's the same. I'm pretty sure it is, but since I trade with a broker, I'm not sure. And trading with a broker for forex on a forex broker doing crypto is it's different. So I'm not sure if it's the same as a crypto exchange. So I hope that answered your question. If it didn't, then I'll have to ask my friend for you on that. Uh, If y'all know, if y'all are familiar with Crypto Picasso, is anybody in here familiar with Crypto Picasso? Because if you guys are familiar with him, he used to work with he used to work in the same networking group that I was in. They only look for the biggest traders, and they always, I have them trying to actually reach out to me again to be a educator in their group. And I'm thinking about, I said, if y'all want me to be an educator, y'all got to pay me some money. Like, I'm talking about like some money. But excuse me. Right now, it's just a waiting game right now on XRP. There's nothing big right now here. Um, I do know that this is a scary zone to be in right now. Like, I'm worried about right here. The only reason why I'm worried about this spot is this is a TK zone, because you see how we had a bullish cross and then the price came, it didn't get above here, but it came back. But market's still flat. If this red line crosses this blue line, it's gonna be a little bit of trouble here, because that would mean that we would need to hold right here. If we cannot hold at this level, oh man, price is gonna go down. But this is why I'm watching this area very carefully. If I look at the Heikin-Nashi candle, let's see the momentum of the market. Yeah, this is showing us a strong sell signal right here. But that doesn't matter, because right here it has to break, the red line and the blue line to continue down. This is gonna act as resistance. I mean, act as support right now. So what could happen here is price could bounce off the red and the blue line and come higher at this point. If not, it's gonna just tank, and that's what I'm watching. So right now, there's nothing really big in this market right now. It's just an accumulation or a distribution zone. But I'm still leaning to the upside. If y'all, XRP Crypto Wolf just posted saying that uh, gold just reached 2,000 or something. Let me actually see it. Let me go to Twitter real quick, you guys. I get a lot of notifications there. What did he say? So let's see. So this gentleman, diverse investments, he's saying right here, waiting on this down 200 EMA, 200 MA to cross under 100 MA and become support. Then you could go crazy. Yellow 200 MA becomes support. It's gonna be on like Donkey Kong. So he's saying right here, he's saying that price is gonna drop back down to, I believe, the 21-cent level. So that's what he's saying. He's saying that once price drops down to that 21, 22-cent level, and if it holds there, then it'll take off. But it's gonna depend. I don't know if it's gonna do that. You can't assume that the market's going to just drop just because of a moving average. Excuse me. There's a lot more that goes into the market when it comes to moving averages. It's about the candles. The candles are what you need to learn how to read, not the moving averages. The moving averages help, but the candles is what you want to look at. So what I was saying, XRP Crypto Wolf just said, gold soars past historic 2,000 level as Bitcoin marches higher. So if Bitcoin keeps marching higher and gold keeps marching higher, what's going to happen with XRP, everybody? It's going to go higher. Right now, XRP is going down, but we'll see if it's just a small, pullback or not. But we'll see. Let's see. Alex Cobb says, I can't wait for Ripple IPO day. Yeah, does anybody have any information on Ripple becoming an IPO? I want to know if they have any date set that they're going to become an IPO at all. Hey, XRP Carolina, I'm going to go ahead and retweet that. Bam. All right, I'm just gonna go through some news if there's anything that's big on Twitter right now. Let's see. Yeah, I pay attention to some of this stuff. Don't read news too much, but who did this to Brad Garlinghouse? Y'all should be ashamed of yourself. Let's see. Crypto Bull says 2020 will see XRP over $20. You know, I was just telling y'all that XRP could hit $26, 26, 24 range by November. He's saying it right now too. Let's see. Bitcoin bulls become Bitcoin billionaires. Okay, we're not about Bitcoin. Let's see. Let me see what y'all are saying in the comments. Let me go ahead here. Let's see. Yep, gold hit the all-time high. Silver moving too. Silver is on a tear too. Yeah, silver is on a tear. You know, my mom actually had actually hit me up saying that she got some silver. So maybe I need to look into that. All right, fam, I'm out. Time to go to work. I'll hit you on Twitter. Peace out. All right, Ronnie. Peace out, man. God bless you. See you later, man. Take it easy. Let's see. XRP FC. I heard November rumors. The Garlinghouse memes are hilarious. Yeah, the Garlinghouse memes are hilarious. Like, they embarrass him. Let's see. Action Jackson. Quentin has private shares, but you have to be on pro. Okay, I didn't even know that. I might have to look into that. If you're new on this live feed, you guys hit that like button. I don't know how many likes we got, but hit that like button. I appreciate that dearly. Let's get up to 50 likes right now. 50 to 100 likes right now. I believe we could do that, you guys. How many likes are we up? How many people are still on here? I'd like to know. If you're in the comments, if you're in this live stream, put a rocket ship in the comments so I can see it. I want to see that rocket ship. Let's see. Yeah, see. Okay, see. Here's Sir Gordon. He said XRP ready for 40 cents. You know, everybody's saying the same thing right now. And the only thing that people aren't seeing is that resistance at 32, 34. We must break that level. If we don't break that 32, 34 level, you know what's going to happen. We're going to go down. But, you know, I'm staying positive. I'm staying bullish. I'm looking for the market to move higher. Ooh, we got an Ichimoku user. Ichimoku chart. Nice. I might have to look at that one. Let's see. This has nothing to do with XRP. Okay. So I'm just, I'm just zooming through Twitter, seeing what's going on, seeing what people are saying on Twitter, because I like to, stay on Twitter, see what's going on with people. So far, let me see what's going on here. So right now we are in, a little scary territory. Look at the price. It's trying to break that line here. You see it's trying to break there. So you got to be careful around this area. If we get a break underneath here, man, price may dip. But it's not going to dip too bad. It's going to go to that 27 level, which is not bad. It's just, we want to see that parabolic momentum. That's what we care about. We don't care about no bearish momentum right now. We want to see the bulls take over. It's been too long for the bulls not to take over. So we need some change in some emotions right now. So we'll see what happens. Let me see. I got like 1,000 messages right now on my phone. I'm just looking at it like, man, I don't know how I'm gonna answer all these questions or all these messages. So hopefully I have time tonight to go through all of them. Let me see what y'all saying. Oh, look at all those rocket ships. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. 46 likes. Hey, that's what's up. Was just 36, now 32, 47 likes. Oh, we okay. That's what's up. Keep hitting them likes, you guys. Let's get this to 100 likes. I want to see them likes. I like the rocket ships. Hey, what's up, Bert? You was quiet, man. This is the first time I seen you comment on here. How you been, man? Let's see. Beantown Vet 50 likes. Hey, that's what's up. I'll take it. We need to get some more people on this live feed. So I'm gonna do analysis real quick on XRP versus Bitcoin because I'm pretty much done with this one with XRP. XRP was pretty simple. There's not too much to say right now. It needs to break this one of these levels, but we'll see. We'll see how the market decides to make its move. Now I'm going to look at XRP versus Bitcoin. I remember, I think if I'm not mistaken, was XRP Moonshine. He was talking about XRP versus Bitcoin the other day. So you see here, if y'all were on my live stream yesterday or no the day before, y'all see that right there. I called that move, and you see how the market moved down. Yeah, how would I have entered this on the Hikanashi candles? Ooh, that's trash. Oh man, that would actually been a hard read using the Hikanashi candles. But this is how probably how I would have traded it now that I'm looking at it. So here's a strategy that you could use when you're trading, and you see that when you see these fractals clustered like this, that usually represent the markets in a range. So what you want to do, get to that lowest fractal right there, and once you see the market break out right here, take that trade to the downside, and you see the market move down. You guys, y'all are seeing this, seeing how I trade, live, and this is what I want to do for you guys. Like I want to help you guys make money day trading and take advantage of investing, because if you know when to invest and where to invest, oh you'll be solid. And that's where people mess up in the crypto space, is they don't understand how to read these charts. But you see here, I said in the last live I had, if it doesn't break this pink zone, it's going down, and it sure did. But now that don't even matter no more. Right now, price needs to hold right here. Price needs to hold this level right here. Let me see who that is. Dang, I'm getting blasted on social media. So many messages. But right now, price needs to hold at this current level. If price could hold here, price has a chance of rebounding to the upside. I need to check the higher time frame, see what's going on. So if you look here, price could actually hold at this Kijun, which is acting as support right now. See how this moving average is acting as a support? And then you put the line on, you see it's support right here. Just more confirmation, you guys. The more confirmation you have trading, the better. Now, here's what could potentially happen. Now, this move is over, so I could actually delete this now. But here's what the move could be now. So if we could manage, because you see how thick this cloud is, the thicker the cloud is usually a good sign for the market to potentially move up higher. But this is what I'm seeing right now. Ooh, that XRP mommy. Okay, cool. This is what could happen right now. Market could range. Not saying that this is going to be the move. Market could range between this price here, then take off or start moving lower. Ooh. You got to understand the market is designed to either move in a wave, consolidate, or go parabolic. The market always moves like this. You just got to figure out which one before it happens. And that's the beauty of trading, because it's all a psychological chess game. That's all trading is. It's literally a chess game at high speed. Literally a chess game at high speed. That's all it is. And it's if you can make the move before they make it, or you're patient enough to make the move before they get in. Let's see. Gucci. Hey, that's what's up, Bert. You can make a video series on how to day trade using using Ichimoku. I do have a series. If you if you go to my playlist, there's literally a section called Ichimoku series. Kids, I think it's called Ichimoku series, but it has all Ichimoku information in there. Uh, but if you want to learn personally for one on one, hit me up. I just want to learn from you. I don't care what platform or medium. Okay, well, yeah, send me a message, man. You can hit me up on Facebook. You can hit me up on Twitter. I don't care. Hit me up. The ones that I have on YouTube, they're just the basics of how to read the Ichimoku system. So that's just the basics of it. But if you want to get more intricate and be more precise with it, and how to combine it with other indicators, then yeah, you definitely gotta learn from me. I'm not gonna. I want to share that, but that's gonna be some real knowledge there. Let me see. So XRP. So right now XRP Bitcoin is looking like it's just gonna range. The RCI is just showing that the market's still above. It's still good. It's still a strong market. I don't see this market, crashing. I see probably the market just ranging between this pink line and this black line here. So nothing really special here. But if you look at the daily, momentum strong. We just have this flat Kijun, and that's the problem so far. So when this is flat, as you guys already know, it's just a ranging market. Looking at the weekly time frame, let's see. Looking at the weekly time frame, it pretty much looks like XRP, like the XRP chart minus this thick, because this cloud is really thick, and I don't like that. But for price to break through all this, man, we're gonna have to have some serious work done. This is probably what's gonna have to happen for price to rip through this cloud. Something's gonna happen to Bitcoin that makes everybody shift their attention to XRP. Once the shift in the attention is on XRP, that's when we'll probably see the FOMO happening. We'll probably see people start getting into the market, because when was the last time this really took off? And so if you look here, back in 2017, this was the last time it shattered through. It just went to the upside like crazy. But something has to happen to Bitcoin for us to get that same result. Now, I remember somebody saying something about the Bitcoin miners. That's going to be interesting how it affects, if it has any effect at all on the market. But only time will tell. But looking at this, I just think the market's going to be in a range. It has to get above this pink line to go higher anyway. The momentum's there. We have 3 days and 22 hours for this weekly candle to close. So once that weekly candle closes with this momentum that it currently has, let me see, Heikin-Ashi candles. Yeah, seeing this current momentum, yeah, this is bullish all day. It just has to get above this pink line first. The momentum's showing us that. RCI is not looking too pretty on the weekly. Let's see, daily. Let's see what the RCI looks on the daily. RCI on the daily looks pretty healthy. It looks like a solid market that's going to move up higher. So we'll see. Right now, I just think the market's going to range according to the 4-hour and the hour time frame. That's all I see for XRP versus Bitcoin. Looking here, let me see. I don't like this here though. This is showing that the market may move a little bit lower, but we need a hold here first. So I'm not going to say anything yet. I'm going to just watch this area right here. Right there. So right now it's a 50-50 market on XRP versus Bitcoin. This is going to be a battle between bulls and bears right here. Right there. Let's see. So once it breaks below this line, that's when you want to start looking for short entries or selling positions. Now, if you get a price action candle, like a buying signal with the candles, then you should take that trade to the upside. But there's no signal yet, so there's no trade. With no signal, no trade. Trade at a level. If you don't trade at a level, then you're setting yourself up for failure. Let's see. Any questions, you guys? If you guys are still on here, definitely hit the like button. Try to get it up some more. If y'all don't have any questions, this could be a Q&A hour right now. I'm trying to be on here as long as possible. Q&A. Hit me up, guys, if y'all got any questions. No questions, you guys? Yeah, let me know if y'all got any questions. It could be questions about politics. It could be questions about anything. I'm trying to figure out, let's see. Keep it going, bro. Thanks for the TA. Hey, that's what's up. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate that. Let me see. Let me go back to Twitter real quick, see what's popping on Twitter. Let me see. Let me refresh this. Always when I do a live stream, it lags. So I'm thinking about building a stronger computer, because doing live streams takes a lot of energy out of the computer for some reason. So I might get a computer built. If you guys want to help me out, help me by telling people about this channel, and it helps. I really do want to start doing bigger things on here, like giveaways and stuff. Let me see what's going on here. All right, sounds good. Okay. Let's see. XRP Crypto Wolf just posted. JP Morgan says younger investors like buying Bitcoin and older investors prefer buying gold. All right, let's take a peek into that article. Let's see what they're saying in this article. See if it's worth our time, how it's going to affect the market at all. Let's see. All right, so pretty much JP Morgan says younger investors like buying Bitcoin, older ones prefer gold. Now, like I said, the hype around Bitcoin is because it's the first cryptocurrency. There's no if you sit down, have a a real conversation with someone on Bitcoin, and you ask them what's Bitcoin's use case, what is Bitcoin doing to change the world, most of the time people that are interested in Bitcoin can't even answer that question. So it's saying here younger investors are interested in Bitcoin, while older investors prefer buying gold, according to JP Morgan's strategist led by Nicholas. I don't even know how to say that name. I'm going to just say Nicholas. Okay. Bloomberg reported the news on Wednesday, citing on August 4th note by JP Morgan's strategist, who further said that millennials are also preferring tech stocks. Now that that's being said, if anybody's really big into technology, I would definitely look into. I actually posted this maybe last year. What is this? Oh, they just kicked me out. Wow. Well, anyway, what I was saying, I'll click out of that. That's too much. They kicked me out. But what it's saying, I was gonna say that last year I posted a meme. Well, it's not really a meme. It's like I guess you could call it a meme, but it's saying what to invest in any technology. And because if you guys don't know, a lot of the world is moving towards AI technology. So if you're going to invest in technology at all, AI technology, I don't believe in AI technology per se, but I do know that that's where the direction of the world is going. You know, People try to make everything easier. You want people like voice activated things. People like the simple touch. People like control, simple control. So definitely, if you're going to invest in anything, look into AI stocks. AI stocks is definitely going to be big in the future. If it's not already. Let's see. Let's see. Can you explain the fib tool? Which fib tool? The extensions or the retracement? Because there's two types of fib. Actually, there's actually more fib tools. There's a time fib tool. There's a retracement. Then there's extension. So which one you want me to explain? Let me see. XRP FC. Nope. Gonna start watching that Ichimoku series. Gonna hop off for tonight, though, bro. Keep putting in work. I appreciate you, XRP FC. Definitely jump on again next time, man. I appreciate that. Definitely appreciate that. Let's see. What do I think about VeChain and ADA? Um, oh man, ADA, if I remember, it's man, Cardano, correct? So if I remember correctly, I actually was talking to my sister's friend, or yeah, sister's friend, about that, because they're really big into Cardano or ADA, whatever you want to call it. But when we were talking about it, they seem pretty knowledgeable on it. I think it has a good future. I think it has a. I think it's gonna be used. I'm not sure to what extent, but I do see a future in ADA. VeChain, I definitely know that there's gonna be a future in VeChain. It's if it's gonna be assisting the XRP network, definitely it's gonna make moves to the upside as well. But right now, the whole foundation, the whole think of crypto space like a big giant computer system, and each crypto represents a component within inside the computer. So each crypto has its own use case, right? It's just a giant network of computers working together in the form of currency. Now, if y'all don't remember, David Schwartz had said he had came out talking about quantum computing could hurt cryptocurrency. Now, I actually spoke to Kevin Cage about this uh, in private, and I think that quantum computing would actually aid cryptocurrencies. It would actually make, especially XRP, would actually make it faster if they could do get the coding, the software of the crypto into quantum computing. Now, if there's a quantum computing cryptocurrency, then that might actually be, that might actually affect, the crypto market. But, I can't really say yet on that, but I will say, in that regard, I think it would, in my personal opinion, I think it would help cryptocurrencies. But, David Schwartz thinks otherwise. What I think about VeChain, yeah, I think it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be a good investment long term. I think once everything's set, everything's gonna take off with XRP VeChain. Tezos is definitely one to keep your eyes on. XLM. I still have my doubts about I mean, not XRP, about Bitcoin. I have my doubts about Bitcoin. I don't like Bitcoin. I just don't see a future for Bitcoin. I just don't. I don't know why, but I just feel that there's no future for it. And if there is, then I'll be very shocked. So that's my thought on that. But my mouth is getting dry right now. You guys, if y'all like this live feed, definitely subscribe or hit me up on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. I'm about to peace out. I just wanted to get this video on this live stream done for you guys. I appreciate you guys. Y'all are awesome. Y'all are always supportive. And also, help this channel get to 2,000 subscribers. I want to hit 2,000 subscribers. And my goal for this month is 5K subs. I know that's a crazy goal to have, but I believe, you know, it could be done. So definitely, you know, show some love, like this live stream. Definitely subscribe. Wait for some more content to come out. I'm gonna be doing some educational videos as well. So it's not always gonna be about, you know, cryptocurrency. You know, analyzing charts. It's gonna be about actually learning how to read the charts and breaking it down. So if y'all want to see that type of stuff too as well, start subscribing, you guys. I have so much stuff I could, you know, teach you guys. But that being said, I'm about to peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. God bless. Stay tuned for the next one. And I will definitely see y'all later, all right? Peace.